to create a course, we're going to first select My Teaching. From here, we're going to select Resources, followed by clicking the Create button. This button will open up a box which will allow you to create either a award, a course, or a standalone learning item. Now, as we're selecting Course, we'll click that. Now, this will open up a box which will allow you to either upload an image for the course or give it a title, as well as a description below. We also have the opportunity to determine whether we wish the course to be private or public. So we're going to click this Create button now, which will open up this here. So here we can add learning by one of two ways. The first would be clicking this button up here, which will give us a range of different options. The second would be through here. Now I'm going to select text. I'm going to give the text a name, document. I'm going to click this edit button over here, which will open up this here. So here, this is our training document. Once I'm satisfied with what's in that document, I'll click the Save button here, and that will be updated. Now, if we wish to add an additional module, we can click this Add button here. We'll add another module. We'll call this Module 2. Now, let's say we wish to add another document, but this time we want to add a video as well. So we'd obviously select down here, Document, and also Video. We can also obviously create a quiz, which can be related to either the video, the document, or whatever it may be. Once we're satisfied, we'll click this Publish button, and that will publish a course.